हेलो दोस्तों। तो नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मोहित। मैं दिन प्रतिदिन एक वीडियो बनाता रहता हूँ अपनी इंग्लिश के अंदर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट बदलाव लाने के लिए। तो आज का हमारा ये वीडियो होने वाला है नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी एंड क्रिप्टोग्राफी के एक सुंदर से एक महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक के ऊपर, जिसका नाम है क्रिप्टोग्राफी एनालाइज। व्हाट इज क्रिप्टोग्राफी एनालाइज, इसके ऊपर हम डिटेल वे में हम एकदम रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल के साथ हम समझेंगे और उसके बारे में हम जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे। ये वीडियो भी मेरे कुछ प्रीवियस पहले के मैंने नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी क्रिप्टोग्राफी के ऊपर कुछ वीडियो बनाए थे, उनकी तरह होने वाला है। मैं नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी क्रिप्टोग्राफी कुछ टॉपिक्स के बारे में तुम्हें जानकारी दे रहा हूँ और मैं दिन प्रतिदिन इस प्रकार की वीडियो बनाता रहता हूँ। अगर आप इस तरह की वीडियो को देखना पसंद करते तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं कि ये हमारे इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट जर्नी या उसकी अंदर के पहलू का एक पार्ट है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट जर्नी के पार्ट को। व्हाट इज ए क्रिप्टो एनालाइज, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्रिप्टो एनालाइज इज सिंपली crypto is a if if the data are a normal data to encrypt into in normal data encrypt into ciphertext. This ciphertext is a form in the data are cannot be viewed or read by unauthorized person. The ciphertext of the text are a middle of the text. If a you and the information to get need a special of key. This special of key are a help is the cipher of the text are a decrypt. The cipher of the text are a decrypt using a key. The key are a, the cryptography is a main concept of using a hackers. The hackers are a if technique are a method to understand and what the method to ensure a technique to follow a decrypt encrypt your plain text. The plain text encrypt using a special key of the make a special key using a method to count or a count to and get a special key a technique of a crypto analyze. The crypto analysis is using by hackers. The multiple of the hackers if the data are a WhatsApp and other social media in the powerful of the uh, encryption are a method to follow a data to generate ciphertext. The ciphertext of the middle of the text is only read by the special of key. The special key only provide authorized person. The authorized person cannot be share a key between unauthorized person. The unauthorized person, the authorized person special key to get the special key and decrypt of the message. A, the what is the meaning of the ciphertext is a count and ensure the if a ensure easily to get the motive of the behind of the meaning of the ciphertext or meaning of the ciphertext to count about the unauthorized person. The unauthorized person to get a key following the something of the method. This something or a method. The first method is a count is ciphertext attack. What is a ciphertext attack? If something if we share a message into sender to receiver, to sender to receiver a message to share if a ciphertext form. The ciphertext of the sum of the block of the a part या sum of the ciphertext is a attacker are a get and attacker are get the ciphertext and the if a some of the method are a method and hidden analyze analyze it to get a key. The key are the method some of the method are So, the multiple of the hidden trial to try a get a key. If a very hard to get a key, if technique. This something is next are a technique is a cipher using the using a plain text. If count a it called a count a plain text technique. The plain text technique attack is a attacker to some of the plain text are a count and some of the ciphertext are in count. If communication of the previous software something are a plain text and a ciphertext are a combination to get and the communication to help a generate the generate the key. If a communicate the key are generate to simply need a ciphertext and only plain text. The plain text and ciphertext this plain text and ciphertext using the a, a mix up to analyze and if a relation to relation to get a count a key. The something or a third attack is a something of a is called is very hard note, but if the attack is a something are a mostly are a use the attack. The what is attack? The attack is a something are attacker are a your in the third attack is called a choice ciphertext and choose ciphertext and plain text attack. What is choose ciphertext and plain text attack? This attack is a attacker some of the time or some of the in, in time are a access sender windows meaning is the sender to send the message in receiver. This if a sender to window are a hack. The if a real life example to explain if send a message into Rohan to Sohan या communicate into A to B sender to receiver like a WhatsApp and any payment gateway any of a message at authentication message through etc. If a something are a if if get a something are a message to the real life is something are a problem is a this if I'm sender to message into your the your if you are a receiver and my window is a hacker. The hacker is a sum of the time my window your through send some of the message the multiple of the message to send the multiple of message to send to the something are a plain text and the cipher text are a generated plain are a cipher text generate the is the communication in the communication the combo it it addition in the relationship between two generate a key the the especially say the the multiple of the request are a attacker are a sent the attacker are a multiple of the request are a sent that reason to multiple are a cipher text to generate and analyze the multiple of cipher text and plain text to communication com- communication the if analyze the cipher text and key communication and the generate a key. The last point is a fourth point is called a choose cipher text attack. What is choose cipher text? So attack the choose cipher text attack is the last of attack. The attack is the attacker to get a key and cipher text is the communication combo. uh, the relationship between a get a plain text. The all are the attack the all are the attacker is the your data or your message to read read to a read उसको read or a retry. If you watch a video and if the video information like the channel in the if any of the how the daily life of the अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए इस वीडियो को, या अपने दोस्तों को भी आप शेयर करना चाहें तो शेयर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।